Hi, Emily. Here's a quick tutorial on how you can create a brand kit and use your style shuffler to quickly add your brand colors and go in between different variations of those brand colors, like if we're making a template. So I'll start with this. Let me share my screen. And as you can see, I've gone to canva.com. From the home page, first we want to create the brand kit. So from the home page on the left panel, we want to scroll down until we see brand kit. Now this has a little star because of the Canva post, which I think you have Canva post, so there shouldn't be a problem. But even if you don't have Canva Pro, you're able to create one brand kit within Canva for free with limited. But if you do have Canva Pro, you can create multiple brand kits. So I'll just put this in for Find Your Fit Rocks. And what I'm gonna do is I'll start by adding your color palette. And you sent that to me in an email with your hex codes. Oh, I think that's what I had open. So let's start with your orange colors. That one's good. Then looks like we have another orange option. A little darker. Give me just a minute. Oh, oops. Okay, so we've added both orange options, and now we're gonna go ahead and add the purple and green. So let me add the, let me move my little bar around. Yeah. Green. And let me also add the purple color. All right, so now we've added the brand kit, we've named it. We can also add the specific type of fonts you want, which I'm gonna review the templates you sent and add fonts that look like they go cohesively with the minimalist type brand you're looking at. Now that we have the brand kit added, well, this is how we can go and easily add and change the brand colors of your template through any kind of different variations. So it'll change it to purple on green, it'll change it to green on purple. Let me just gonna show you an example. Maybe easier to just show something that just has one thing in it without not a lot. Here, I'll show you this one just for easier. Okie doke. So we can see that this is a post I've already posted before. If we go on the left pane again, down to where it says styles, select styles. And here's where you can see my brand kit is already added, and it's already on mine because this is me. So if I want to just shuffle through the different brand kits, different versions of the same thing, different flavors of it, I can do that and pick which one looks good to me. Now, if we want to select a different brand kit, like yours, for example, I can select your brand kit and see what that would look like for your version of it too. So it's just an easy and quick way to automatically make sure everything looks cohesive. And that's why when I create things, I create this, I would just duplicate it 3 or 4 times. and then pick my favorite 3 or 4 versions that I like of it. So I'm not reinventing the wheel every time I want to post. All right, I hope that helped, Emily. Now you have this recording so you can review it whenever you're ready to set everything up and play around with it more. I'll talk to you on our next call. Bye.